talking parrot reveals the truth. There was once a little girl named Mira. She was clever, but she had one bad habit. She often told lies. If she forgot her homework, she would say,
"I don't know, my teacher lost my notebook."
If she broke something at home, she would quickly say,
"I didn't break it, the wind knocked it down."
Her parents often warned her, "Mira, lying may seem easy, but it always leads to trouble." Still, Mira did not listen. One day, Mira's father brought home a beautiful green parrot. It could mimic words perfectly, just like a little child learning to talk. Mira was delighted. She spent hours talking to the parrot, but instead of teaching it nice words, she often repeated her silly lies. The parrot listened carefully and copied everything. That evening, while the family sat for dinner, Mira's mother noticed the cookie jar was empty.
"Mira,"
She asked.
"did you eat the cookie?"
Mira shook her head quickly and said,
"No, I didn't eat it."
Suddenly, the parrot flapped its wings and squawked loudly.
"I ate it! I ate it! Ha ha ha!"
The whole family was shocked. Her parents turned to Mira, and her face turned red with shame. The next day, some guests came to visit. While everyone was talking, the parrot suddenly shouted,
"The wind knocked it down! The teacher lost my notebook!"
The guests laughed, but Mira felt very embarrassed. Her lies were no longer safe. Her own parrot was exposing them. That night, Mira sat quietly and thought about her mistakes. She went to her parents and said softly,
"I am sorry. I lied many times. I promise I will never lie again."
Her parents smiled and hugged her. The parrot chirped happily, as if it was saying,
"Good girl! Good girl!"
Moral of the story: no lie can stay hidden forever. Truth always finds a way out.
Thanks for watching. If you like our story, then please subscribe to our channel for more thoughtful stories.